Hi, my name is Martin and today I will show you how to remove error P0016 from a Peugeot 308 from 2010 1.6 petrol engine. The check engine light was on the dashboard. The fault code was read with a diagnostic tester. We used the Multi-PROG programmer for reading and writing. Currently the device is without a subscription. We have a Bosch MED 17.4 controller for the experiment. ECU location. To remove the controller, unplug 4 connectors from the controller. We run Multi-PROG. Device, tab and enter the name of our ECU in the search engine. We choose the car brand and model. And our ECU is 4th on this list. We connect to the controller in bench mode according to the diagram on the right. Then we connect the ECU adapter and we can turn on the power, read the EEPROM and write it. Then do the same with the flash memory. Now we will perform the modification using Ecu Soft Service, available in our stores. In the program, we select our vehicle's data. Select the flash memory. Select Diagnostic Trouble Codes Disable. Enter the diagnostic fault code number on the right side and click Remove. We save the file from the program. Press Open File. Select the file without fault code P0016 and save it. There are no fault codes in our car anymore. Thank you for watching.